Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and optimize your product page SEO in Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end. Follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, you can go ahead and open it up at this main menu page, and then you can get started signing up for your account. So once you've opened up the main menu, you're going to go and be able to sign into your account. If you don't already have one, you can create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, now we can get started configuring our website, and let's go and take a look at how to go and manage our SEO. So as you can see right here in the official Odoo help forums and documents page, we have the search engine optimization and how we can use it. So basically guys, we can go and follow the steps right here. What you want to do for yourself is go to the odoo.com/documentation page and search for SEO to find the article for yourself, and follow all the important tips and tricks you have right here on how to get started using meta tags and meta keywords, how to optimize your images for the search results page, how to go ahead and implement migrating your existing website to Odoo, and so on. And this is all going to help you out to prevent your website from being indexed, and then it's going to go ahead and show up easier to any customers that are searching information for your website or anything similar, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.